How to make a Vermont weather stick. Vermont weather sticks help to predict the weather with changes in barometric pressure. When pressure is rising, which indicates good weather, the stick will rise toward the sky. When pressure is falling, indicating bad weather, the stick will point toward the ground. Making a Vermont weather stick is fairly easy to do. Things you will need: 14-inch balsam fir stick, penny nails or tacks, block of wood or bark as base plate. Find balsam fir trees. Look for a grove of balsam firs. Find a place where saplings are growing, and pull up a few at least 14 inches long. Weather sticks are balsam fir saplings that have been stripped of their bark and dried. Balsam fir trees tend to grow in sugar maple groves. Strip the bark from the saplings. This will allow the weather stick to dry. Because the wood is fresh, it will take a while to dry out adequately. Nail or glue the sapling to the base plate so that it is attached and will be able to support the weight of the weather stick. Mount the base plate at a desired location. It might take a while for your weather stick to acclimate to your specific climate. Monitor how the stick changes, rising or falling. Tips: warnings. Weather sticks generally work based on the theory of air pressure affecting wood branches, but it is not guaranteed to work every time. If it does not work, try another sapling.